Welcome to the tutorial about the SewerageCAD program for sewer design, which is part of the Water System package. Initially, just click on the Water and Sanitation Design icon, which will display the main menu of Water System package. Click on Execute the SewerageCAD to run the program. The main screen of the program presents a paint box, which will be used to draw manually the scheme of the sewer network. We can draw the branches just by doing click to place the manholes. By doing double click on the branch will be closed. We can also add branches by clicking near the node where we want to start a new branch. The direction of the flow may be changed just by clicking on the respective button and then on the section in which we want to change. On the right side of the screen, we will have a table where we get the identification of the sections and the nodes in an automatic way after drawing any branch. Our task is just to enter the topographic data as distance and elevations, as well as the number of households that will be connected to each section, if any. In addition, we must enter the diameter and type of material of the pipes of each section. All this data will be used by the program to calculate our design. By clicking on Settings and Options, you will have access to the data where we can add types of piping, including material, mining coefficient, the infiltration rate, units, and the parameters of design, where you can define the period of design, the population growth rate, etc. To learn how to use the program, we will use the example 2 included in the package. Open this file and we will have the diagram, the survey data, and the type of diameter for each section. The arrows indicate the direction of flow, and as we can see in our example, we have 2 discharges. Something that is very important to highlight is that we can also see the contour lines that can help us to appreciate how the sections and manholes are placed in relationship with the topography. Once we have opened the project, we click on to Calculate button. At the bottom of the screen, you can see a progress bar where we can appreciate the progress of the calculations. At the end of the calculations, the tab that contains the spreadsheet will be presented. In the spreadsheet, we can notice that we have 2 options. Option 1 to note the hydraulic condition in the pipes at the beginning of the period of design, and Option 2 at the end of this period. By clicking on the Profiles tab, we can find all the profiles of the terrain as well as the depth of trenches. It is important to note that even if we have provided the diameters and types of pipes, the software makes adjustments in the slope of each section to comply with the minimum and maximum speeds stipulated in the program settings. This means that the program defines what the depth of the ditch should be, accordingly with the chosen conditions. Also, it's very important to notice that in the spreadsheet you will find the velocity and tractive force for each section. This last parameter defines the hydraulic project functionality, since it has been determined that attractive force greater or equal to 0.1 kilograms per square meter will be able to drag any solid particle contained in the water. When we are assured that this design responds to our needs, we save the project. and we can also export it to Excel. We save the project as an Excel file, and then we go to the working folder, following the path, My Documents, Water Systems, SewerageCAD and Projects. Open the saved file, and we can see that we have our project spreadsheet. This has been all for today. Until next time.